What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. You don't know, sir, 416 to 876 Jamaica, right? Remember again, 416 to what? 876 Jamaica. Alright, my people. So, everybody New Year again. Because every time I have to say, oh, again, God no. Channel like grow still know my people. But again, people, if you're new here to the channel, we do a lot of building contents in Jamaica, and I give a lot of advice because of what I went through building a house in Jamaica. So it'll come from a real experience, no made up fiction experience or nothing like that. And so we do Jamaican content, and we got the different ghettos them, and show off different places. And when we're back at Jamaica again, we're gonna try to show off different places that's selling and lands and stuff like that. We're gonna try to get involved in that side. But no, we're back in Canada. So you don't know, sir. Right now I wanna make tea time project this. Alright? In Canada you don't know what we do photo shoot, music video, show background and stuff like that. Working set. We also do trucking videos. Don't worry, truckers. A video come for all of the new truckers them who want to get some job, cause I have someone always keep messaging me say, oh, what go on Jay? Oh, me getting that trucking. Me I go make a video just for Uno, just now. Right? And we also do with tea time talk like right now. And this one is about deportees. Jamaica. Jamaicans who live in Jamaica. Why on eat deportees so bad? What them do to Uno, sir? No. So one time now me there in Jamaica just now, like 2 months ago, me there in Jamaica. Right? Okay, people, 1 second. Some people bothering me. Yeah, we're back. Someone just disturbed me. Yeah. Deportees again. Why not eat deportees? What deportees do now? You guys were jealous of their lives? Just because they get opportunity for come a foreign? Yeah, messed up their life and shit. Boom, they're back there, right? So let me tell you something about this side. I'm not gonna tell you about that side, right? See, boom, now you come to Canada, just like me. Parents send for you. Come to Canada, you never get a citizenship. Boom, you fall in problems, this and that shit happens, right? Go back home. Just like that. Cause shit just happens. Boom, you're a different person. You come to the country illegally, you run off, you come here on a farm work, or you cross the border, get a paperwork, boom, 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 and shit happens. Boom, you come back to the country. So now there's a lot of different scenario why a lot of people get back deported. Yes, you can have a citizenship here too, and you get back deported. Also, like my brethren, I'm having people if him leave if I leave this country, he can't come back. Got too much shit builds up on his crime list, right? So yeah, he can get deported. But I just don't see the reason why Jamaican people just hate deportees. So boom, now I was in a taxi driving in Jamaica. So I don't know say bus and taxi we have to take a Jamaica because we're not rich out like that yet. One day we will. Motor car we buy a Jamaica, we still don't have one, right? But call it a day. So boom, now me dey in a taxi and them a talk about, oh, Trump, I got deport all of them people. Oh, one lady scream out, yes, deport them. Sorry about the bad word. Sorry about the bad word before me even say it. Sorry my people. Sorry my elders. God bless you. God bless you. My uncle and uncle that watched. God. But this one is a tea time talk one. So please just avoid the bad words. Yes, send them blood clot back home. Yes, them for go home, man. Them got rich in kingdom. And I'm like, I'm sitting beside the lady in a taxi, my people. And I'm like, wow, you them not good for nothing, then go find go waste them life. I should have me get the paper them. I should have me go foreign, go live them good life there. I'm like, you don't even know what type of life it is over there. And you gonna say to go live good life. Let me tell you something. So anybody where you see where you try to make it back to Jamaica, where you try even come back at Jamaica and build a house or build a life back in Jamaica and still live in America, Canada, or England, or Germany, or whatever, and still have both papers to go back and forth. Let me tell you something. Them stress level is high as hell. Alright? Because these people, we're trying to live both sides of this place. We're trying to live here and we're trying to live there. So before you say, I should have me, you don't know what that person had to do, their footstep they had to take, the mentality, the drama, the stress level. But some of them people they have to go through in life. Alright, boom now. Let me show you a stress level. Because a lot of people call me, right? You come to Canada. Boom. Your family send for you. Life is good. You just have a PR card. You get in so much trouble. They deport you. Boom, no. You never think about it. You'll get deported because you came here as a youth, come here as a 3-year-old youth, and boom, you live in a country all the life and this and that, and boom, you know, you turn teenager, start knock head with the wrong people and stuff like that, and then boom, now. One look robbery go on, you're gonna jail. You understand? Boom, just, and then the trickle effect just start happening back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Boom, now, you don't even know nobody at Jamaica. Boom, now, you're gonna them deport you now, you're gonna Jamaica. Why only not welcome nobody who get deported with welcome hands? Because you're gonna say, oh, them had them chance and this and that. But if most time, if we over there and say, you know what? Yes, they messed up over here. What we can do for help them, for get back on them feet. Because of that, what I'm really mad out some of the people them now, when they go back home, because nobody no really did it for support them or for help them. You understand me? I try to say, I'm soon get on the next topic. Them, don't worry. This video is gonna be a tea time talk because Sunday coming, right? That's what really mess up some of the people them head mentality. You understand? But nobody gonna talk about mentality. You never know what them people have got through that. We have to manage that mother that crackhead, him father that crackhead, everybody just messed up. Him have got street pan early and everything like that. This is seniors to all of these stuff. But then no, on Jamaicans in a Jamaica just 3 years and a man that was from foreign, and just look on it the wrong way. Oh, a foreign man come from, him a deportee, treat him away. You understand? That's not right. I don't have to look through yourself too and say that not right, none at all. You understand? Like, how can that? You're not, yo. When me there Jamaica, me there for 3 months, and people start looking at me weird, like, yo, what? The youth they get deported or what? In can't go back a foreign, and me sit through it, just because I want to hear what people have to say, so me can come back and talk about the vibe. Yo, listen, it's not nice. It's not nice, none at all. You understand? And that's why you have, like, yo, when you come in them country, remember, I never born in Canada. Some of we never born in America, and some of we never born in England. Ever walk on a white line what this trade through. You understand? And just try to be peaceful as possible. But sometimes shit just happens. Like with me. Yeah. I will tell you that story one day. One day you get that full story from me also. What happened with me at the end of the day. Right? So all of we have to just walk on the white line. But then now, the other people them now, why I know why I don't eat deportees. The ones them now, you come out the country, you know you don't have legal papers, or you do have legal papers, but now, alright, you're Jamaican, you're from the Caribbean, when you just as the Caribbean, right? You come out the country, now boom, you just, I don't know why, you just go start sell drugs. You start do all illegal crap in the country. You show off on everybody. When you go to Jamaica, you show off on everybody. You make it known that, yo, I got all the money in the world. Yeah. I have all the money in the world. You don't care about nothing. You go back up a foreign. You do the same illegalist thing. Yeah. Go back to Jamaica again. Show off on the people them. Me know why not you deport. Yeah. You rent the biggest set of vehicles. Yeah. The biggest set of my truck. Mercedes drop top roof. CLE. Yeah, man. Big Benz them. Big cars. Yeah, they are foreign. You drive the biggest cars. Yeah, they are party. You bust the biggest bottle champagne. Yeah, Ace of Spade. Yeah. What them call that 420 or whatever 420 or whatever them big buckle in the name because I can't afford it. So you come here and you buy up all of them there. You go back to Jamaica. You have the sexiest girls around you in the club. I got taboo one thing. You spend 100 grand a night and all that crap. Boom, now you come back to the foreign country. Boom, police are tell a long rascal time. Tell you some teeth out me depend on my people, sir. If I swear in these ones, you just gotta forgive me. Because tea talk, we tell the truth, I will talk the truth. Here. That's it. Tea talk time. You don't stop, Jay. Yeah, man, just let me talk. You come here, you spend all of that money. Show off by everybody. Never remember grandma. Never remember mama or papa with them there Jamaica or whoever. You don't remember nobody. Yeah, they did one to your cousin them, one to your dogs them, and all of the big body girl them and fake friends around you. Right? Boom now. ICE catch you. Or Immigration Canada catch you. Boom now, you lock up for a couple of years in Canada or America or England. You depend on the deportee charge. You fight it. You have to go back now. Buju Banton sing this song. If I could have played it right now, I would have played it for you. Never help nobody. I can't remember the song with people, but you can comment below. Right? No, you got to go back home. Oh, you expect them to look by you. Oh, you expect them to deal with you. Oh, you expect them to treat you. You tell me. You tell me that. People, I'm on my tea time. Let's drink some tea. Ooh-wee. Oh, you expect them to deal with you. And all you expect them to treat you. You never send back no money, guy yard. Every time you come to Jamaica, you floss on people, them, you show up on your friends, them. You never even say, yo, bro, the friends them you have at Jamaica where you grew up with, you never even treat them, you never go say, oh, let's go, no. You get no friends out of port. We have the same big cars and this just like you, right? What you rent. Them own for them. Them live at Jamaica, them own. Yeah. Cause you think you drive Visa Canada or America or England? Let me tell you something. Them people are drive bigger beasts. And them own for them one in a Jamaica. Remember me tell you that? Yeah, Jamaica is not back of the class no more. Oh, Jamaica used to be. Them attack about Jamaica third world country. Some of them never got Jamaica. If you even know, oh, some of these people living life in Jamaica. Remember, you know, Jamaican people don't have to leave Jamaica again. If you look like them richer, them have to live in this part, them foreign country, you know. Cause foreign country now have nothing upon Jamaica again, you know. And the back of the class, them they no more, you know. They're front of the class now, you know. Everybody are looking into Jamaica, you know. So when I do a foreign and stuff, everybody are trying to run back to Jamaica. So, when you get deported, my people, just look into that too, alright? But people, again too, everybody have a different deportation papers. And everybody have a different deportation reason why then get deported. Don't look for everybody as the same. If you're a drug dealer, understand that, yeah, you treat them bad. I understand that you never send money come out yard. Some people just getting at domestic violence over here, and boom, boom, boom. Stuff just happen, them like, yo, you gotta leave your country. Bam. You understand? Some people are just trying to traffic ticket and them never even have them papers and then get deported and them live here for 20 years and stuff like that. You understand? So, you don't look at all deportees the same way. Watch it. I really like put them thing up on camera, you know, but watch it. When me go pick up my bridging from airport, me there at Jamaica. My father drive around the area and he see two girls. And the man I say, yo, I could pick up them two girls for help them. Me I say, what kind of people, what kind of stranger you bring them car right now, man? Like, me just come in for go pick up my bridging from Canada, cause I must stay on my Airbnb, right? So no man, them girl I go pay away a thing, man, if you go over this man. And me I say, what you talking about? So now we pick up the girls, them I say, you know, say, we just get deported. I mean, never look on them no way. So yeah, man, we just get deported, cause them just have two bag pan them, not two great outfitting them people. So me type of shock, so me ask, be a question, me say, so which one me have to drop on and this and that, cause me I drive now. Me I say, what me I go drop on or this or that, you understand? I say, oh, don't this or don't this, and me I say, you know what? See, when I get deported, people try to shun you. You understand? And me I say, you know what? Me am Airbnb, you know. I don't have to pay away, you know. Can I spend the weekend or the week up here until I get back on head mentally, and then you can just go home. You understand? You know, want nothing from you. Just have to make sure you have the food, contact on the family or a relative, make sure you have the money for just buying the food and call it a day. Simple as that. You understand? Cause me can't look upon somebody and just make them feel bad after them feel so bad already. Remember, you know, when you get deported and you drop at airport, you know, people just look upon you, oh, disgusted, you know. So me can't do that. Me couldn't do that, my people. Me sorry, me couldn't do that. No. Cause anybody can fall. Anybody would left from Jamaica can fall in that diaspora. And when you have a citizenship, the people can come to deport in here. Make a crime rate raise up. Just make sure you walk on the white line here. That is it. So anybody could have just fall in that trap. Me, myself, anybody else. Right? So, if you see a deportee at Jamaica, man, just help them out, man. Talk to them. And not everybody is the same. Not everybody is the same, man. So no, don't not do that. Man, I like that vibe there. Like when me dey in a taxi, I hear the lady talk, I hear the driver talk. Yeah, they put them blood clot, man. Yeah, them go back at the yard, man, and go waste them time. I should have me have them. I should have me. And I mean, I say, yo, you don't know how hard it is to live in this country. You have rent to pay, car note to pay, you have bills to pay, you have this to pay, and then sometimes, yo, more time, only thing you have to take. So that's why some people fall upon drugs. Cause more time, you even your own friend them over here disgusted because the whole of them are fake. Yo, over here so fake, you know, man. You have your one and two friend them. God bless your soul. They find some real people. But God bless your soul when you find the wrong people around you. Remember me tell you that. You understand? So I know everybody get the pot of gold. Where everybody would have really, oh, your life could have been like this. Oh, you got the opportunity to make your life the better way and you ruin your life. No. You think somebody come here want to ruin them life? You think them not want best for them self? For go back home, it's like, yo, boom, boom, boom. But some of them over here, once them getting at that drug dealing and weed dealing or illegal stuff and guns and this and that, that's just the lifestyle for them. I mean, I tell you that straight. Because I know people like that. And that's just their lifestyle straight. And you can't get them out of it. So them one day, yeah, and them one day really come to Jamaica and mad out, you know, because if you know, sorry, if you know, say, depending on the deportation order charge, and you say them are deported in the next 3 to 5 years, you know, try to make yourself better, learn a skill, learn a trade, so when you have to go back to Jamaica, because you know say it's coming, or you know wherever Caribbean country you come from, right? You know it's coming, right? You not try to say, you know what? Let me go learn a trade if me don't know no trade. Let me learn a skill if me don't know no skill. Let me get a diploma in something because boom, 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 because I know say, yo, one of the time I have to go back a yard. You see it? So you know say, you have to go back a yard or you have to go back wherever you come from. But no, some of them still go back, go do the illegal stuff them and get back more charge upon themselves and them. All the time and then boom, then get, yeah, them one day, them come to Jamaica and mad out, you know. And them I see them one who always a show off upon them friend and family. But not sometimes I know a case too. Sometimes some people just want to just go have fun a yard too, you know. And sometimes stuff just circumstance just reach them. Them are them nice 9 to 5 job here and this and that. And then just want to go a yard go floss. Cause they never could have floss before. I never imagine that too. Like a man who grew up in a ghetto and never have money yet. And come out foreign. And say, yo, I'm rich out now. Make good 10 grand a month, pay off him bills and this and that, can buy a Mercedes, can buy a Benz or Audi, Lamborghini or whatever, and then circumstance just reach him. Just like, oh, holy crap. Him and the woman getting a war. Once you in a woman country, them you know, people. As a man, you know, a woman country, them you know. You know, come here, you know, argument with no woman over here. So, remember me tell you that. And our country, period. No, sir, no. Leave them, make them go on. Call it a day, cut your losses. Yeah, man, I just saw it go. I just saw it go. No matter what, as a man, and no matter what you spend on a woman, and no, watch the money, brother. Just walk with grace. Yeah, walk with grace. Move on. Don't do nothing. Leave it alone. Shall go move on. Or the females, you go move on, you go move on, and everybody just move on together with God. Simple as that. You understand? So I just, yeah. But when you reach out your card, remember me now, may I tell you this now. See, if you now have a house at Jamaica, you never make a staple at Jamaica, or put your foot down in a Jamaica. Because you me from Jamaica, I know my people, so I'm going to talk about Jamaica, you understand? Anywhere in the Caribbean where you get deported to go back to. Okay, simple as that. So if you make a say you buy a house, buy a this or that, remember me tell you something. Jamaica is not what you left 10 years ago or 20 years ago. Them gonna deal with you rotten like a rotten cabbage. And then throw it down a town and the cop man rug jog on that 10-35 times. So them gonna treat you. Remember me tell you that. And if you never help nobody now look on you. You might have a 1-2 person that like, yo, boom, 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 with a goodness out of them heart. But me, I tell you, say, nobody now look upon you. Jamaica not like deportees. Period. No matter what good you do for them back then, them not like deportees. You get deported, and you try show off upon me, and you try hype on me. I saw them can look upon you. Remember me tell you that. So, what I have to say now, buy some land. If you're a permanent resident, you're a citizen, still buy some land. You're a run-off refugee or refugee program or whatever, buy some land from your country. Take your time, build up that place. Because when you have to go back home, you have a nice house. You have a home to sleep in. You have a bedroom. Nobody can say nothing. You make a garage and build up a big wall and lock up your place and call it a day. Yeah, because foreign enough away. You know, so jump and move. All citizens in the man I try, like, run with brother. No come on no man. Smart up on yourself. Don't make that reach no. Don't make it reach no. Come see rich people. You understand? Me have friends over here with no papers. I mean I say, yo, I don't know no paper. And him not even try to put in them head to say, oh, I don't know papers, so now, you know, so deportation can reach me anytime if I go slip and slide, you know. I mean I say, sorry about the bad word again. I say, bumbo clot. I want to still not try learn. Me I say, yo, you know, buy a piece of land in Jamaica and build up a place. So if that will reach you, you know say you're good. Then learn cause them have this foreign mentality same way. I don't know why I not have the foreign mentality, you know. I just don't know why I don't have that mentality with people. But people will soon come back. Yeah, my people. So again, just saying to everyone who depend on deportation order, get a message say, yo, you might have to leave the country. You're already there. Please don't waste your time. So you try to build in the country them where you're there. You understand? Try to build back up yourself. In the country you have to go back to. You understand? Because at the end of the day, 95% of the time, you'll go back home. 5% of the time, you go stay here. But then, you depend on the order the same way. They might watch you. So any little problem you get in, you know, say, you'll go back home. You understand? So, the best for me to tell you now, say, yo, listen. Jamaica is not what it used to be back in the days, like a days ago, our third world country. Jamaica is well developed and developing more and more and more and more right now. Where you come like a foreigner there when you live at Jamaica right now. Depends on the area them where you live with and the people where you chill with. And everybody are ghetto people. And not everybody are rich people. You understand? So it depends on your people. You can build up a night by a land somewhere nice to the beach side, Ocherius, St. Anne's, up in a St. Catherine, over Portmore, Portland, a nice up down, St. Thomas, you understand, Negril, Mobile, St. Elizabeth. It all depends on where you want to live in the countries, right? But again, just watch your surroundings, watch the people you link with, watch the people you talk with. Because not everybody we should see them for everybody. You understand? So the gray area, a house stress in Jamaica, the gray area, you know. So I sit down over here, say, I try to build a villa and thing like that, and still can't done. But I take the risk, I take the chance. So you know what, I have something upon a piece of rock over there, so because at the end of the day, this place is not home for me. Home is home, where I'm born and grow. But this place is home now. You understand? So you have to take the chance and build up here and build up there. You see it? So at the end of the day, I have to walk on my thin line here too, because anything can happen to anybody. You understand? So I'm just telling us, listen, brothers and sisters who over desperate here at him, just walk on the thin line and try to make it work. You understand? Don't go illegal work, because the illegal work road, illegal road, you right? Illegal road or something like that. Call it a day. May tell you, I drink some tea. But the illegal road, my people, them all catch up on you in due time. And it's not gonna be pretty. Try buy a piece of land. Go down, fly down, check out the place when it's built. And even if it's a 1 bedroom, even if it's a studio apartment, but try have something back home. So anytime the bell ring, you know, say, alright, and cool. Whatever. I gotta go back home. Peace out. Guys, the only time in like Canada, you know, at summertime, you know. That's the most time we work for my type of job, because stop with the long distance truck driving thing. So the only time we work more for the film industry is summertime, spring, summer, fall, winter time, gone back a yard. So at the end of the day, everybody's lifestyle is different. Some people probably work all winter. When we had a salt truck, I was a salt truck driver. That shit messed me up. Nah, can't go back to salt truck. You understand? So again, for the Jamaican people, stop look for every deportee is like every deportee is the same, the same category. Some people just get deported because of domestic violence. Some people get deported because of traffic ticket. Some people get deported because they have no papers. Some people get deported because they're a drug dealer. Some people get deported because they're a murderer. Some people get deported because stuff just never worked their way or never went their way. Them run off on farm work and then get it. Yeah. So not every deportee is the same. So don't stop put everybody in the same category. And if somebody get deported when I can help them, I help them too. And call it a day. So make it stop. Just stop treating deportee like yo. And if I get deported and like I can't go to next country, my people. And stop it too, man. Like it's the last 4 years, the end of the world. No. You get deported if you can Canada, you can't go America. You get deported in America, you can't go Canada. You get the paperwork, so you're gone somewhere else. You can't go England. Yeah, it might be a little bit stiffer, a little harder, but you can. You can go all the next Caribbean islands. So don't make it look like at the end of the world. Like, oh, I get deported. No. Someone just get deported and one must stay up on the street and live on the ship because they never come back and they never try to help nobody in the community or help in the family. And that's why they stay up on the street. And then the family member, them take it to heart. Oh, you live a foreign. You're so messed up and corrupt with that. So now it's a one big cycle. Oh, him never helped me. Oh, me never helped them. This and that. And now it's a back and forth of drama. Trauma going through people's headspace. Like, that's not cool. That's not cool at all. Like, I always want to make this video, you know. From the Jamaica, from the hear how the lady talking in a taxi. When me hear how Trump deal with people, oh, them say 5,000 Jamaica we get the put, and the lady's like, yo, send them back. Send them back. Yes, when they can suffer. And I'm like, damn. And I saw the lady talking in a taxi, you know, and from then, I say, yo, more have to make this video. But I just know it's the time Father God really say, yo, make the video. Because it's very hard to make a video like this. Because the way me I watch the videos them on YouTube with the deportees them, and most of them when they get deported are drugs. Offensive. You understand? And most of them are crime. You have to 1 and 2 because abuse of woman or man, and you have the 1 and 2 because them run off and this and that. But most of them are crime. But not everybody that get deported was involved in crime and this and that. So not look on everybody the same. Please. That's just not cool because like you can't get married today to a girl over here and a girl just treat you so bad and you and a girl just go have a fight or what argument, boom, then you just come deport you. Or you go married to a man and you and the man just have it out and you just let the man cheat on you, man do this on you and all of the and just make it like you just feel like a worthless person. You're like, you know, when just not gonna have it no more. And then boom, you get deported too, you know? So you go vice versa. So not everybody have the same type of charges, not everybody have the same type of outcome. But I was going to tell you, say, you have a local time in this country, you build up something back home. Here, send back your money, go back a yard. Because, you know, this country is for you to build their country. And somebody goes, oh, but they live like, yeah, but pay your tax dollars. Say that, yeah, my tax dollars go to the country. Sometimes you get paid around $1,500 for a week. And when you look out at that, 5 bills gone, you get $1,000 for 1 week. And you look on it and say, whoa, so much in that taxes? When I talk 2 weeks paycheck, you know, I talk 1 week paycheck here. And when you look on it and say, so much gone in that taxes? Yes, so much gone in that taxes. You understand? So me I pay to live here. And I let me live here for free. So out of that now, you have to try to build up your local place, a yard, or wherever you come from. Out of your local money now. Because you don't pay to live here already. Yeah. So you use your local money now and build up your local 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom until you're done up. You don't have to build nothing big. But you just need a start. And if you don't have the mindset to start, I tell you, say, if any day them run your page and you have to get deported, my brother and sisters, you have to cry. Because Jamaica not easy. Them deal deported like garbage. They not like you, no. Because them want to get on a chance. You understand now? But, if you have your house and you carry Jamaica and you get deported, you're going to paradise. I have some money in your bank account, save up over there, you gotta just go relax and say, I did my time, but now I'm home. I am back home on the rock, and I don't need to go nowhere. Jamaica nice, you know, my people. Remember me telling you that Jamaica very, very nice. You don't need foreign. And the way the development in Jamaica is going up right now, no, sir. Foreign can't touch Jamaica very, very soon. But Jamaica just needs some more industrial plants, making cars, doing some more industrial stuff. Just not depend on the resorts, them on the backside and that and okay. Nah. Jamaica need a little bit more investment. You understand when they can push out stuff like oh, so Africa start make them own car, them on this and a push hard now. Caribbean need that too. Yeah, man. But that's my one to take a tea time, for dropping on Sunday. Every Sunday we try to do a live stream or we drop our tea talk. Okay, my people? So 416-876 Jamaica. And if you like the reasoning, my people, in the comment below, if you want to touch more back on this deportee topic or whatever topic you want me to come over and talk about, because I go through a whole heap of experience in a boat country where we can say a or nay about. You understand? But part of the life. And truckers out there, remember, Miami, the Toronto music drive from California, so we have a heap of stories for one or two over this or two. So I want them story there and make me know that I could. So everybody again, 416-876 Jamaica. Bless up on yourself. Peace out.